Okay, a little update on the layout here. I recently got this building all lit up. Those buildings there, I put a small P bulb inside. I still need to put the opaque film inside the Rico station there so you can't really see the lights and stuff, but we're getting there. We got the buildings here lit up, and these are the MTH buildings, the railking buildings. I just got all those, and you can see the cool signage. And as you go around, you can see how pretty cool. You got the M&M building, this tax building, the hotel, and what I'd like to work on is the roadways. And I got this film here. This material is like a masonite finish, and I'm going to use that. It's the same thickness as my super street roads. So what I'm going to do is build a parallel road system with the super streets to make it look more realistic of a street town, because currently you can't get right angles for the super streets, so it's kind of hard to build an actual grid street with the trolleys, and they wouldn't work too well with the way the curves are, and the trolleys already having a hard time